Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the crazy day on Tesla, especially when you consider the context of the markets. I would argue a very weak day, which sets up for no guarantees, but you got to be relatively bearish-minded moving forward. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact, started off so strong, gap up, and then made the big move up and kept going. And then from that point to think, some poor souls were buying up above 450. But after 450, it has just been a steady downwards trend the rest of the day, which brings it right back into range of this area that I've talked about previously. And that's this area right here around the 425 mark, which if you go through the history of the thing, you can see right there, more so right around 424.50. But I mean, we're talking about a $400 stock. So 50-cent range, we can keep that in play. But point here being, acted as support. And now it's, like I said, within striking distance. So nothing's guaranteed. But my point here is that it's a more than rational thought to have that. If the price comes down here and then breaks down through that green line, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So 424.50, definitely going to be that first key level to watch closely. If that level does not quite hold up, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price then potentially drift down to that 417 mark. So definitely keep an eye on those couple areas from the support side of things. Now, in the event the price just decides it wants to turn itself around all of a sudden and work its way back upwards, key level of resistance on any sort of attempted movement back to the upside going to be right up there around the 438 mark. But yeah, as of right now, like I said, in my opinion at least, you got to be relatively bearish headed into Tuesday on this one, but we'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.